Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the camera shakes in Dune Awakening. To do it, first you should go to Settings. Now find Gameplay tab, you're probably in it already. Then scroll down until you can find Camera Shakes. You can set it to off or on. Most probably you're setting it to off if that triggers you, or you have some condition that makes it just uncomfortable to see the camera shakes. But also if you just don't like it, also turn it off. And remember to apply the change using the Enter key or clicking on the button down below, which appears after you apply the change. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.